Hello everyone. Last class we discussed about Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law tells about? V is equal to I into R. Let us discuss some more details about Ohm's law. Ohm's law, according to circuit, here battery is connected. The larger side always positive terminal, positive, negative, positive, negative. From this conductor is connected. From this resistor is connected here. The voltmeter is connected always parallel to the resistance. Here one more switch, key. Ammeter is connected series to measure the very low current. This is battery. This is positive terminal. From this current is flowing. Here positive terminal. This is negative terminal. This is resistance. Here key. Positive terminal and negative terminal from current flows here. This is a circuit diagram. To understand in the better way, I will show you in one video. Please watch it.
Okay kids, today we learn how circuits work. The battery provides voltage, it's like electrical push. The resistor limits current. Voltmeter measures voltage here. Ammeter measures current, must be in series. And Ohm's law, voltage equals I time. Okay kids, today we learn how circuits work. The battery provides voltage, it's like electrical push. The resistor limits current. Voltmeter measures voltage here. Ammeter measures current, must be in series. And Ohm's law, voltage equals I time.
This is small video about how Ohm's law works. Now we will understand better way by floating on graph. Let us take one assumed table. On the assumed table ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Here in this table, y-axis indicates about voltage and x-axis indicates about current. Voltage, current, and this is ratio of V by I is nothing but resistance. If voltage is 1 volt means current is 2 ampere. If voltage is 2 volt means current is 4 ampere. If the voltage is 3 volt means current is 6 ampere. Ratio constant. This all 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. We simplify, will get 1 by 2. Let us draw the graph. This is y-axis, tells about voltage, and this is x-axis, tells about current. Current in 700 ampere, voltage in 700 volt. This is origin where x and y values meet. At the x and y value is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us draw this graph. When voltage is 1 volt, current is 2 ampere. Voltage is 1 volt, current is 2 ampere. Here. When voltage is 2 volt, current is 4 ampere. When voltage is 3 volt, current is voltage is 3 ampere, current is 6 ampere. Connect this full stop, 3 dots, it will come straight line. If you draw slope of this, if you take slope of this, you will get resistance. R is equal to, slope is equal to V by I. Let us discuss some more about resistance. Here resistance is universally proportional to the current. If resistance of the conductor is increases, current is decreases. Then we will discuss What are the factors affecting the resistance? To know this experiment, we will take same arrangement, connect battery here, here X and Y different terminals. Let us take nichrome wire, 10 watt bulb and torch bulb. Connect here one by one. We will come to know the variation of current in ammeter. So the variation of current is due to resistance. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ಲೋನ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಫ್ಲೇಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಇರೋ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ವಾಟರ್ನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆದರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಫ್ ಇರೋ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದು ಮೆಟಲಿಕ್ ವೈರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, let us take silver. Silver has very less resistivity, very less resistivity. So your current flow is easy. And next, copper and aluminum. These are the good conductors. Generally they are the good conductors. That's why we are using in the electricity field. So for home appliance we will use copper. For the outside or general domestic purpose we will use aluminum. Silver is very expensive, we can't afford. That's why silver is we use only in experimental purpose. So conducting wire, it depends on material of the conductor. Now we will discuss what are the factors affecting the resistance. First one, resistance is directly proportional to the length. If the conductor wire is conductor length wire is increases, resistance also increases. If resistance also increases, means current is, here what is happening, current is decreases. And here one more case, here resistance is inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. Generally we will take wires cross sectional area in circular shape. If you increase particular time ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೈರ್ದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಯಂತ ಹೋದರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ತನಕ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇನ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ what we can conclude, resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. Again here one more ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ನ ಇಸ್ಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೊಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಇಸ್ಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ is equal to rho into L by A. What is here rho? Rho is resistivity. Here rho is proportional constant. And we call resistivity. Let us discuss about resistivity. What is resistivity? Resistivity is materially dependent. For example, I already have shown in notice. Silver have very less resistance, so current flow is more. ಅದೇ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ SI unit of resistivity? From this we can write R is equal to rho into L by A. What do you want? We want SI unit of resistance. So send this on this side, R into A. If you send this one, become L is equal to rho. Idi kade badre int agutte, idi kade bandre by agutte. So what is the SI unit of resistance? Resistance SI unit is ohm. What is the SI unit of area? Meter square. What is the SI unit of length? Meter. If you cancel, what it comes? SI unit of resistance is ohm meter. SI unit of resistance is ohm meter. These are the factors affecting the resistance. Now we will solve some questions based on this, based on Ohm's law, and we will conclude. Let us take at 220 volt the current is 55 ampere. Find its resistance. What you have to do here? First thing, we have to write given data. What is given data here? Voltage is given. Voltage is 220 volt. Current is 55 ampere. What they are asking? They are asking resistance. From the Ohm's law, we know formula. We always stop I into R. So what we want? We want R. So R is equal to what will become? R is equal to V by I. Let us substitute the given data. So R is equal to V 220 55. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 4s are 5 4s are. So 11 ones are 11 4s are. So what is the SI unit of resistance? Ohm. So R is equal to 4 ohm. Let us solve one more question. The potential difference between the two terminals of an electric emitter electric heater is 60 volt. When it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source, what current will be heater? What current will be heater draw if the potential difference increase to 120 volt, increase it to 120 volt. Here the solution. The potential difference between the two terminals of an electric heater is 6 volt. So voltage is given 60 volt. When it draws a current of 4 ampere, so current is given 4 ampere. What current will be heater? What current will be? So what current will be heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120 volt? Let us see. First, from this we can calculate resistance. So resistance can be, so already we previous problem V I R. So R is equal to what? V by I. So R is equal to 60 by 4. 4 on the 2 left, 5. So what comes? 15 ohm. R is equal to 15 ohm. 15 ohm. So it is not our solution. They ask one more condition. When it draws current 4 ampere from the source, what current will be heater draw if the potential difference is 120 volt? So what they did, they increased voltage. Second case they increased 120 volt. Already we saw in that graph resistance remains constant because the same material, so 15 ohm. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate current. So current formula is equal to I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V 120, R is 15. 15 on the 15 8 za. So current is 8 ampere. So I is equal to 8 ampere. Let us solve one more question. Some tricky question. A wire of given material. A wire of given material having length L. Having length L, one meter, is 26 ohm at 20 degrees Celsius. If the diameter of the wire is, 0.3 mm. While solving this type of question, you have to take care about SI units. What will be the resistivity of the metal at that temperature, means same temperature, at that temperature using table. So what is the given data here? So given data, what is the given data here? Temperature, resistance, length given, length is equal to 1 meter, and resistance given, resistance is equal to 26 ohm, and diameter given, diameter is equal to what? Diameter is equal to 0.3 mm. 0.3 mm. This is length is in SI unit, resistance in SI unit, but diameter is in not in SI unit. So you have to convert into SI unit. What they are asking? They are asking resistivity. So resistivity rho is equal to watt. So just now only we discussed about that formula. So resistance is equal to what? Rho into L by A. So rho is equal to R into A by L. Here we have to calculate first area. What is the cross-sectional area? Cross-sectional area always circle. So what is the area of circle? Area of circle is pi r square. So what is in terms of diameter? They give in terms of diameter. So we have in radius. So what is the relation between radius and diameter? So diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So diameter d by 2 is equal to r. Substitute this formula, pi d by 2 whole square. What it become? Pi d square by 4. Let us convert. D is equal to what? 0.3 mm. If you want to convert this millimeter into meter, so you have to multiply by 10 to the power minus 3. So if you multiply 10 by 10, what it become? 3 into 10 to the power minus 4. So let us substitute this value in here. 3.14 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square by 4. You will get 3 into 14 into 9 into 10 to the power minus 8 by 4. If you simplify this, you will get 4 ones are 4 twos are again 4 twos are. So if you multiply, take nearest value 2.2 only. 3.14 into 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 8. If you multiply, what will get? 3.14 into 2.2. We'll get 6.908 into 10 to the power minus 8. Substitute this value in given formula. What is the formula? Rho is equal to R into A by L. Resistance they gave, but how much it is? 26 ohm. Area 6.9 is near equal to 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. 7 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by length 1 meter. If you multiply this, you will get 180 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, or we can write 1.80 into 10 to the power minus 6 ohm meter here. If you taking point means you have to write is here. Thank you for today's. This is all about today's. We'll discuss tomorrow.